Here's what's broken about hiring. You post a job, get buried in 50 applications, spend your entire Saturday reviewing resumes, and somehow still end up hiring the wrong person. So I built something. It's called Vega Filter, an AI system that reads applications, understands what role someone's applying for, and tells me in under 60 seconds whether they are worth talking to. No more drowning in spreadsheets. This is how it works. The real problem. Most hiring goes like this: read resume, check portfolio, make a gut call, repeat 50 times. But here's the thing: you can't evaluate a video editor the same way you evaluate a manager. Different roles need different lenses. That's what we are building today. A system that doesn't just automate the boring parts, it actually thinks about what matters for each specific role. What you will learn. By the end, you will see exactly how to build a system that takes someone's application, figures out what they do, and uses AI to decide if they are a fit, all automatically. And the best part, you don't need to be a developer to build this. Okay, let's zoom out. Vega Filter has four main parts. Number one, the front door. Someone fills out a form. Number two, the smart router. The system looks at their role and sends them down the right path. Video editors go one way, managers go another, designer go somewhere else. Number three, the AI brain. Once we know their path, AI reads their profile and evaluates them against specific criteria for that role. It's like having an expert recruiter for every profession. Number four, the decision. System tells me talk to this person, pass on them, or flag them for a second look. Why this design matters. If you just throw every application at AI with a generic prompt like, is this person good? You get generic answers. But when you route first, then evaluate, the AI knows exactly what lens to use. That's the difference between automation that wastes your time and automation that saves it. First, we need somewhere to collect applications. I'm using Airtable because it's simple. You could use Google Sheets, Notion, whatever you are comfortable with. The structure is basic. Candidate name, what they do, years of experience, key skills, and later we can add things like they had to upload their resume or link to their portfolio or work samples. This is your central hub. Once someone fills out the form, everything flows from here. Now we connect this to Anytime. Think of it as the brain that watches your database. Every time a new application comes in, Anytime notices and kicks off the workflow. No clicking, no checking manually, it just starts working. See this? That's the candidate's information flowing through the system in real time. This is where things get interesting. This piece, called a switch node, looks at what profession someone selected and routes them accordingly. If they are a video editor, path A. If they are a designer, path B. If they are a manager, path C. Why does this matter? Because I don't evaluate a video editor the same way I evaluate a manager. For video editors, I care about can they actually edit? Do they have versatility? Can they hit deadlines? For managers, I care about have they led people before? How do they think through problems? Will they fit our culture? The key principle: good automation doesn't just replace manual work, it replaces manual thinking. This router mimics how a human recruiter would naturally think differently about different roles. Now for the AI part, I'm using Google's Gemini, but you could use ChatGPT or Claude. Same concept. Here's the exact prompt I gave it. Notice what I'm not doing. I'm not asking AI, is this person good? That's too vague. I'm giving it structure, specific criteria, weighted importance, required output format. This is how you get AI to be reliable. You control the framework, it fills in the analysis. See the response rating 8 out of 10. Recommendation higher. Strengths listed. That's clean, actionable data I can use immediately. Now I can spend my time actually talking to promising candidates instead of drowning in applications I was never going to respond to anyway. The pattern you just learned isn't just for hiring. This same blueprint works for lead qualification, customer support, content moderation. The core principle is always the same. Route based on context, evaluate with AI, automate the decision. This system handles 10 applications the same way it handles 1000. No bottleneck, no manual review phase that breaks at scale. That's the actual power of automation. It doesn't get tired. Companies pay agencies 5 to 10,000 to build systems like this. You just learned the blueprint for the cost of a coffee and some API credits. If you are building your own business, this saves you time. If you are building an AI automation agency, this is what your clients will actually pay you for. If you want more real world AI automation builds, not theory, not hype, just systems that work, subscribe. Questions? Drop them below. I read and respond to every comment. This is how you build with AI. Not just tools, but systems. Let's keep building.